Hey, what's going on, guys? Travis, Bro Industries Motorsports. Here we're going to be working on a CanAm X3. We're going to be installing a HESS Motorsports radius rod Certs kit today. Here's a little view of the kit. Got some threaded backs. It's a pretty nice, well put together kit. I'm pretty impressed with it. I watched their install video already and seems like a pretty straightforward install. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot today. Here's the unit we're going to be putting it on. Pretty nice piece of machinery here. All right, so let's go ahead and get it started.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
All right, guys, check it out. Here's a good look. Got them all in place. Got the holes all drilled out. Now we're gonna have to go ahead and prep the area all the way around, get rid of the paint, get ready to weld. They recommend that you weld around each side and then a little on top and bottom. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do the whole thing. I think it'll look better and there's nothing wrong with being a little bit stronger. So next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and prep them. I'm gonna go ahead and prep these pieces, clean up all the edges just to get all, whatever this coating is on them. I believe they said it was weldable, but I just want the best possible, cleanest weld possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the area and prepping the pieces there. Alright, so now that we got the surface all nice and prepped, we got all the edges of all the gussets here prepped. We're gonna get to stay in there. So next, they supplied the bigger nuts here that go on the back side. I'm gonna go ahead and thread these on. And then it came with these spacers so you can go ahead and bolt your radius cover cap there on. Bolt it on nice and tight and make sure all your holes and everything line up perfectly, so when you weld, you don't go ahead and weld everything out of place. You want to make sure everything lines up perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so here we go. All prepped. All fully together, ready to go. Gonna shoot some tacks on it, take it back apart, fully welded in, then we're gonna put it all back together. Alright guys, here we go, all welded up, still a little hot. There we go. Now we're gonna take the wire brush to it, get some of this boiled up paint off, clean it up, we're gonna touch up the paint, we're gonna throw the whole car back together. So there's that. Alright guys, so there you have it. Now it's time to throw a little bit of paint on it. Alright guys, that's that. Gonna go ahead and let it dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw everything back together. I did go ahead and use this Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. From my experience, it's always a pretty dead nuts color match on these Can-Ams. So once you dry up, it'll clean up a little bit. Won't be quite so glossy, and it's, in my opinion, almost a dead match. So we'll go ahead and get it back together here in like 30 minutes or so. Alright guys, here we go. All done. Got her all torqued up, all marked up, everything's good to go. Got to throw the tires back on. You can see the color. It's a pretty good color match on the frame there. Alrighty. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. If you can, like and subscribe. Gonna get some more videos coming out to you. We're gonna be doing some more work to this. As you can see, the whole rear cage section is gone, so that's gonna be coming up next. So thanks again, we'll see you guys next time.